Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to fix your Google Voice not sending messages. So here's a complete SMS setup and number troubleshooting guide. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Wait out the 24-hour automated spam block. Automated restriction. Google restricts SMS functionality if it detects patterns like sending links, repeated templates, or rapid text that mimic automated spam bots. Cool down mandatory duration. Stop all outbound message attempts across all devices for exactly 24 hours to allow the system log to reset. Avoid trigger actions. Do not blast URLs, mask text numbers that never reply, or send large image file packages. Fix 2. Check and appeal an account suspension. Verify system ban. Launch a computer browser in incognito or private mode and navigate to Google Voice. Identify suspensions. Look for a notification banner stating your service access has been suspended. File an official appeal. Click the Contact Us link on the error screen to submit a review request to Google engineers. Fix free, turn off web browser conflicts and cookie blockers. Disable ad blockers. Third party extensions can interfere with script performance when sending text. Clear outdated cookies. Access browser settings to clear cookies or cache, or use a private window to prevent blocking scripts. Verify browser support. Use supported browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Fix 4. Prepend the country prefix +1 to recipient numbers. Number syntax checking. Routing algorithms fail if outbound targets lack proper country codes. Add prefix manually. Insert +1 before the US or Canada 10-digit number for reliable routing. Fix 5. Do not text premium shortcode numbers. Identify restrictions. Google Voice does not support sending texts to 5-digit or 6-digit shortcode sequences. Alternative verification. Switch to a native carrier number or authenticator app for authentication code. Fix 6. Disable network VPN connections, proxy flagging, active VPN tunnels, mask locations, triggering security blocks. Turn off VPNs, disconnect proxies, reload the connection, and send via a local network. Fix 7. Reset message forwarding configurations, clear routing loops. Old carrier configurations can conflict with SMS routing. Disable forwarding in web settings, uncheck message forwarding to ensure direct cloud delivery. Fix 8. Submit a direct help ticket to Google engineers. Escalate to engineering. If issues persist after 24 hours, visit the Google Voice Help Forum. Provide data. Post the date, time zone, and the last four digits of your number and the recipient's number. Grant access. State, I grant Google Voice engineering teams full permission to look directly into my backend account log data. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.